Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Watch me make this classic egg sauce paired with soft boiled yams showing on your screen. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. You want to start by preparing the yam. I also love to keep a bowl of water close. This is my yam. This is what we'll be using for today's recipe. In case if you're not familiar with what a yam looks like, this is it. I'll start by cutting up the yam. Feel free to cut yours into whatever sizes or shapes you prefer. I'm cutting mine into these round thick chunks because I feel like this is perfect for the recipe I'm about to make. But cut yours however you want. After cutting up the yam, I'll proceed to peel and drop into the bowl of water. The reason why I love to drop it into the bowl of water immediately is because sometimes after cutting and peeling the yam, if you leave it out, it tends to change color. The color sometimes goes from white to orange and sometimes even brown. So I just love to drop it into the bowl of water to prevent that from happening. If you watch closely, you'll notice that the yams are beginning to change. You can see that already. So after peeling the yam, I washed it properly off camera before introducing it into my pots. I added a little salt because I love to season my yam with some salt before boiling. This is totally optional. After adding salt, I added some water. You don't have to add too much, just enough to cook the yam until it is properly cooked. So while the yam is cooking, I'll proceed to prepare the rest of my ingredients. Here I have 2 medium-sized onions, some fresh tomatoes and some peppers. These are Scotch bonnet peppers, aka atarodo. These are not so spicy. Always use as much pepper as you can tolerate. I'm done chopping up my onions. I'm slicing and cutting up my fresh tomatoes now. I love to cut my fresh tomatoes into small chunks because I feel like this is perfect for egg sauce recipe. But if you want yours to be smooth, feel free to blend into a smooth puree. After chopping up the tomatoes, I blended my peppers roughly off camera. Time to prepare the egg sauce. I've just gone in with vegetable oil. I let that heat up before going in with my chopped onions. I'll stir and fry the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes fragrant. After about 3 minutes, I'll go in with my chopped tomatoes and roughly blended peppers. After adding the tomatoes and peppers into the pan, I'll stir that properly to combine and I'll let it fry until some of the water content in it dries up. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes depending on quantity of tomatoes and peppers you want to fry. While frying, I'll be going in at intervals to give it a good stir so it doesn't burn. Here's a big shout out to all my amazing and returning subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for liking, sharing, and leaving me beautiful comments in the comment section. I see all you do and I'm truly grateful. After frying for about 5 minutes, this is what we have. From the video, you can tell that this is coming on really well and it's properly fried. You know the tomato is properly fried when you see oil floating on top of it, like the one showing on your screen. I love to keep it simple with my seasoning whenever I'm making egg sauce. I only go in with seasoning cubes and salt, but this is my preference. You can add your favorite spices whenever you're making yours. After adding the seasoning cubes and salt, I stir that in and I continued to fry. Here's a quick question. What is your go-to seasoning whenever you're making egg sauce? Share with us down in the comments. While the sauce is still frying, I'll proceed to prepare my eggs. I'm using about 5 eggs for today's recipe. I'll simply break the eggs into my plate, season with a little salt, some parsley flakes, mix it properly, and that's it. If you're stopping by for the first time today, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. You're going to love it here, and subscription is absolutely free. While at it, also turn on the notification bell to be notified of new videos. I have lots of delicious food recipes on this channel that I'm sure you'd want to try out after watching. So please do well to subscribe to be a part of us. Turn on the notification bell. Go through the channel to catch up on amazing recipes that I have. After watching, do all the good stuff, like the videos, share, and leave me your comments. Let me know what you think about the recipes. I've just added my parsley flakes and salt. I'll mix that further before pouring it over the tomato sauce. This egg sauce recipe is very simple and the results always bangs. It's always delicious. After pouring in the eggs over the tomato sauce, I'll let that set and fry for a few minutes on low heat. I'll let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. After about 3 minutes, I went in to stir. You can see how it looks. This is perfect. This is how you want your egg sauce to look. Or is there any other way it should look apart from this? I don't think so. This is a perfect egg sauce recipe. Quote me anywhere. I said it. I'll stir this gently and then go check on the yam. That's been cooking for about 20 minutes now and I think it's ready. I want it to be super soft. Nothing beats soft boiled yam and egg sauce. It's a perfect combo. For short videos, kindly check out my YouTube shorts, Facebook reels, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos. I have videos that are a minute long or less on this platform. So if you don't have patience for long form videos, please do well to check out my short videos. You'll enjoy watching them. The name to search for is Oge Anyoko on all platforms, so you won't find it difficult finding my pages. After you find my pages, please follow me, like my videos, share, leave me your comments. Thank you. Food is ready. This is love served on a plate. This is a yummy plate of goodness. You can come with your plates if you're interested. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for stopping by and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.